Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can receive money with Zelle and Bank of America. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile banking app and sign in to your account. Step 2. Tap on Pay and Transfer to begin. Step 3. Select Zelle registered trademark from the list of options. Step 4. Tap on Settings. Note: if you haven't enrolled in Zelle registered trademark yet, you'll be prompted to set it up. Just tap Set up Zelle registered trademark and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Tap Add another email mobile hash. Step 6. Enter the email address or US mobile number the sender used to reach you. Then choose the account where you'd like to receive the funds. Review the disclosures, then tap I agree to continue. Step 7. You'll receive a one-time verification code. Enter it on the screen and tap Continue. Step 8. That's it. Once someone sends money to your registered email or phone number, the funds will be deposited into your account within minutes. Tap Done to finish.